In this video, we'll walk you through how to safely cancel a P2P sell order on the Binance app. Start by opening your app. Tap Trade in the bottom menu. Then select P2P from the options at the top. Now, tap on the orders icon located in the top right corner to view your active transactions. Find your active sell order and tap it to open the details. Check the status and the remaining time carefully. On the order details page, tap Cancel Order. Read the confirmation pop-up carefully, then tap Confirm to finalize the cancellation. Your order status should now change to cancel. You can confirm this in your order history. Please note, do not cancel if the buyer has already sent payment. Frequent daily cancellations can lead to temporary P2P restrictions. If you run into issues or the cancel button is missing, reach out to Binance support or try restarting your app. That's it for this guide. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Binance tips.